Hurry, please don't slip on camera. Get her! Get her, Sprinter, get her! They just run into each other. To the knife. Oh shit! Oh shit! That was water, guys. That was water. Oh hell no.
No, I don't like knives.
This is where I stop filming. Because if they throw a knife and they miss, it will hit the black girl and I will die.
Put the knife down. No. Put the knife down. You put the cake down.
Where's mine at? Is this mine?
Put the knife down and nobody gets hurt.